If you've ever opened CapCut and seen your clips stuck together on the timeline, you are not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to ungroup grouped videos in CapCut on desktop, whether you're using Windows or Mac. I'll also show you the difference between a regular group and a compound clip, because CapCut handles both a little differently. So if you've been trying to move, edit, or separate clips and they keep acting like one object, this tutorial will fix that fast. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and quick editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut Pro Desktop on Windows or Mac and go to the timeline where your grouped videos are located. If your clips are part of a standard group, you'll usually notice that they still look separate, but they move together as one unit. This is the easiest case to fix. Click once on the grouped clips to select them, and then use the keyboard shortcut to ungroup them. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and G at the same time. On Mac, press CMD, Shift, and G. As soon as you do that, the group should split apart, and each clip will become editable again. If you prefer using the mouse instead of shortcuts, you can also right-click the grouped clips on the timeline and choose Ungroup from the menu. That gives you the same result, just a different way to do it. Now, here's where a lot of people get confused. Sometimes the clips aren't just grouped, they're actually turned into a compound clip. A compound clip looks like one solid block on the timeline because the individual clips are fused together into a single layer. If that's what you're seeing, the regular ungroup shortcut won't work. Instead, you need to undo the compound clip. To do that on Windows, click the compound clip and press Alt, Shift, and G. On Mac, use Option, Shift, and G. You can also right-click the compound clip and select Undo Compound Clip. Once you do that, CapCut will break the combined clip back into its original parts so you can edit each one separately. So the important thing to remember is this. If the clips are visibly separate but linked together, use Ctrl or CMD plus Shift plus G. If the clips have been merged into one solid block, use Alt or Option plus Shift plus G, or choose Undo Compound Clip from the right-click menu. That difference matters, and knowing it will save you a lot of time when editing. If you want to work faster in CapCut, learning these shortcuts is a huge productivity boost. It helps you clean up your timeline, rearrange your edits, and get back control over every video element without frustration. A quick tip before you go. If the shortcut does not seem to work, make sure the correct clip is selected first and confirm whether you are dealing with a standard group or a compound clip. That is usually the reason people think the feature is broken. And of course, if this video made things easier, please leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to ungroup grouped videos in CapCut on desktop the fast and correct way. I'll see you in the next one.